Hey,
people.
Oh.
We're actually awake because
Yeah.
we had a big sleepover, so
Yeah,
like
so,
we're actually awake.
she went to bed at like midnight or something.
She went to bed like 2,
3 in the morning.
whatever.
So,
This is awesome.
This
is
went
a
up
good
cookie
trip.
dough this morning. We got cookie dough this morning.
Easter cookie dough. It's awesome. See,
we also have like text mix and stuff. Cause our friend bought text mix and he didn't want it, so it's like we'll take it.
That's awesome.
I don't want hers. Dude, we're gonna stop our faces on camera. Hi, Marinette. She got text from my friend. This is really good. You guys should go get some. And this is for all you rangers out there. I'm gonna eat this for you guys. I was telling my friend, a friend that is Stranger Appreciation Day, and he's like, Stranger Appreciation? I'm like, yeah, we're gonna appreciate the strangers. I'm like, no.
Stranger
danger! But seriously, this pizza, you know, is all for you guys, strangers. I'm eating it for me.
Whoa, what was that?
I don't know.
You didn't see that, did you?
See my awesome feet, people? I'm putting you in the picture, Maria.
No.
Feet!
Yeah, I'm almost closer.
Okay.
It's just okay to see my feet.
Oh, yeah, you saw the feet, you saw the feet, you saw the feet.
There's one.
It's like a minute we're talking about nothing right now. So I made a ringtone for the calm. I don't know if that's like calm dance ringtone for the first 40 seconds of it. I haven't gotten it on my phone yet. I'm like really happy because I can't see to the dance now. Oh, my friend loves me. I am.
We're actually starting to become a distraction to people.
Don't care. Let's do that. Hold on. I'm gonna turn my lip. Oh, maybe because the door was open. Sorry, but it's the door. Hey, shut up. I'm gonna go.
Marinette called us insane.
Because
we love her oh so much, we made her.
Love you, Marinette. Watching this, I love you. Hold on.
Put cookie dough, gummy bear on.
Hold on. I have like 4 minutes, so I'm gonna put like the gummy bear song on over it, guys.
It's like awesome.
Yeah,
it rocks.
It's banging you. We're gonna have to fade the video.
Yeah, we're gonna have.
Let's just do this now.
It's so fun.
Gummy bear, and I'm a gummy bear.
And I'm a yummy,
Gummy bear.
Gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear.
Oh, yeah. We've been listening to this song all night.
Gummy bear. Oh, this is the crap.
I got this up too.
This is, oh my god.
Well, we might make like hanging glitter. Right?
What?
We might make hanging some distance.
Maybe. Sometimes.
We'll think about it. We're gonna have to do the business too. What's up? Yes, you guys watch our videos. And every time they watch these videos and what they think when they do.
Gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Gummy bear. We should finish this because it's kind of like, I don't know.
Wanna see them?
It's pretty much inside, but we're kind of on video.
You what? I'll be back. Yeah. You can go put them in the fridge. You got me, make it happen. and dancing. I'm gonna check to see how long I have for mine. Okay. Okay. So I have like 2 minutes. Marrying that did. Okay. Oh hey. Song's over. I don't know what you're talking about. We play it? No! No, I have to use my ringtone because I promised them I'd play the ringtone for them. When I got it. Well, I promised everyone I would. I'm like, I'll play the ringtone, I promise. Okay, she says, indeed I do. Oh yeah, we're obsessed with oyster crackers yesterday.
We have to eat our food.
They go with everything, guys. Not even kidding.
They do. It's pretty sad.
Oh yeah. The way we eat, oh my god.
Everything has to be eaten.
Yeah, everyone's just like, it's fair. We'll eat it. Unless it's me, then I won't eat it.
She thinks she's Asian.
I'm honoring Asian people.
She's crazy.
Thank you. Everyone should know I'm crazy.
We're having fun.
Yeah. Then when I stop eating, talking.
We did this last night.
It's only like like 6 minutes. And what people think about our movies?
I don't know, guys, comment us.
I know Calm likes like some of our movies.
Calm is
because we talk about Calm all the time.
and we actually officially realized it was a prank.
We love you,
Jen. We're really,
So I
really,
become feeling Jen, so I love you, Jen. I got the ringtone, guys. So let me download it.
She's gone insane over this stupid thing.
I love this song. Everyone needs to know this. Everyone needs to learn the dance to the Carmel. Everyone needs to learn the Carmel dancing dance.
It's
okay.
okay.
Awesome.
You guys are fine. Don't listen.
It's so easy though. I'm really doing it to the whole hallway when I go up to school on Monday.
Half my face is in the shot. There we go.
No, it's like
there we go.
Better.
What's up, people?
Now look, there's KG52 back in there. It's right by my by my foot. There's a KG52.
It's a foot fight. Fight to the death. She's being weird.
Thank you.
Tell me what their problem.
I'm downloading the ringtone, people.
Oh my god. We're eating.
I know, they're ringtones and talking to you guys.
Even though you don't even comment us.
Yeah, because we're so loved. Not. Calm loves us.
Calm loves us. Our friend Lexi loves us.
Lex loves us. I love you, Lex.
She's awesome.
The Rangers love me, obviously.
That's because we do videos for them.
Yeah.
Show them your awesome keychain.
Hold on. Yes, I downloaded this on your ringtone. Come on, you Rangers.
Whoa!
It's only like 47. Yeah, that's it. Oh, my awesome keychain. See, look, my friend Nicole got this for me. My birthday a few years ago. It's okay. It's like a little drop of rat on it. And then I have my house key. Yeah. And then I have a key to my Hello Kitty lock. Yes, I have a Hello Kitty lock.
She stuck it in my pocket and I didn't realize it. And she goes, where's my key?
I'm like, do you have
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm like, do you have the key to my kitty?
And I'm like, what the hell are you talking about? And she's like, do you have the key to my kitty? And I finally find it in my pocket. I'm looking at her like, what the hell?
No, dude.
And she
Okay,
looks at
I
me.
think we
She's
should end
like,
the video because it's only been like 10 minutes. So we'll make another video in like 2 seconds, okay, guys?